Hey, this is my first face cam video, but I'm very sad. I don't have good equipment. Only earphones. Okay, I will be managing. Okay, so the topic is how to get a deep voice, right? You probably noticed me that my voice is too deep. I don't know. People used to say that my voice is very deep. So how I got this voice? I still remember 1 years ago when I started learning this thing. Lots of YouTubers used to suggest me do that, but I will say, what is the shortcut? What helped me most to get to come to this stage that I'm talking deep and with confidential voice? First thing, am I getting too bored? Okay, let me change my hand because it is getting tired. Actually, I'm not using any kind of good things. That's why. So first thing, deep breathing. Really, I'm saying, start doing this from today. Deep voice will come easily. In the morning, I used to do. Okay, and whenever you get free time, you can do it. Because when you talk, mostly we try to talk from our mouth, but when we take deep breath, then after that if we talk, so it is naturally we start talking from deep within. Okay, so first thing, it will help you most. Okay, mostly it will help you. And second thing, just pretend that you are talking deeply. Yes, yes, it will help you. Really, I'm saying, I can bet you. Okay, see, if you pretend, eh, you probably know the power of subconscious mind. So try. Really, it will help you. I'm not joking. Okay, so pretend that you are talking from deep within, deep. That I'm talking. That's fine. Okay, pretend. I mean, just assume and tell your mind that I'm doing this. Okay. And if you're talking normally, try to talk deeply, like, hello, I'm talking deeply. This will help you. Okay, third thing is nothing, just do it. Do those two things that I said earlier, and it will help you. So this was my first first cam video, and I am looking to board, I know. Still, please subscribe and make me famous.